Welcome to the Sweet Scents videos. Today I will be showing you how I created the reversible pumpkin wax melts. The scent used for the wax melts is a pumpkin spice fragrance. What I like about these wax melts is one side has a jack-o'-lantern face while the other side is just a pumpkin. It gives you the ability to use the wax melts for either fall or Halloween. Thank you for watching our video, and please don't forget to check out our website at www.sweetscentshop.com. Have a great day.